How to add a back button in any iPhone. You can add a back button on an iPhone using Assistive Touch and by following these steps. First of all, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Now, once inside the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Accessibility option available there. Then, scroll down and tap on the Touch. There, tap Assistive Touch and turn it on. A floating Assistive Touch button will appear on your screen. Then tap on the single tap and scroll down and tap on the home option available there. Now what happens is every time you touch on the Assistive Touch, you will be navigated to the home screen. No matter which app you are using, after you tap on the Assistive Touch, you will be navigated to home screen. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.